All right, we are starting off with these puff pastry shells. Just kind of break them apart. Comes with 6 in a pack, which is all we need. Get them just like so. Now I'm gonna come in with 1 egg because we are gonna do an egg wash, just super quick so we can pop these in the oven and get along with this easy, fun treat. Okay, and just do a nice brush only on the top of our puff pastry shells. And if you don't have an egg, you can use butter or milk, but egg always makes it the most brown, so that's why I like to use it. All right, now we're gonna bake these following the instructions on the back of the box. Okay, so we have our little puff pastry shells. Now I'm gonna grab a metal spoon and we're just gonna spoon out the inside, just like so. All right, we have our shells ready. Now we are gonna grab some pistachios and we're just gonna do a small amount of pistachios in each of these, just a few, just like so. Super quick. These are so good. You can use whatever nut you like. Perfect.
Pistachios.
Get those little stragglers in there. All right, now I'm coming in with my salami and toothpicks. I'm gonna go ahead right to this side right here. We're gonna grab a toothpick out. Perfect. We're gonna take our salami and we are gonna go ahead and just fold it once and fold it twice. Put it through our toothpick. And then we're gonna do that one more time so that we get 2 pieces of salami on each toothpick, just like so. And we get some fancy salami that will fit snug in our shells. Now we're gonna come in with some olives and we're gonna just grab our salami toothpick and we are gonna stick an olive right on top of our salami, just like so, so that we have a nice addition to our little cups for our party. So easy to put together. Everyone's favorite things. You could do a pickle if you don't like olives. They have those cute little mini pickles, but I personally love a green olive, so that's what I'm using for mine. But this is completely customizable. Just get your olive right on your toothpick. All right, we know this is missing some cheese. I have these Colby Jack cheese cubes, and we're gonna add 2 cubes to each of our little cups. Just kind of get them nice and snug in there with our salami and pistachios. You can use whatever cheese you like, just with everything. Get whatever flavor, whatever type you like, so that you will enjoy your little cups. All right, to brighten this up a little bit, I have some blueberries. And we're just gonna open this up and we are gonna put them right on the side here. You could do a raspberry or a strawberry slice, but I personally love blueberries. You guys know I love some blueberries. I just got these blueberries today and they are looking wrinkly. What is up with that? Is it not blueberry season?
I mean, we live in the desert. So.
Well, hopefully you guys can find some better blueberries than me. Luckily, I'm eating them today, so it's okay if they're a little soft. Right in there with everything else. We are almost done.
I hear those are actually sweeter than the normal ones.
Oh, I hope so. All right, our finishing touch, some fresh rosemary. Now this is just a garnish and it's gonna fit right here and it just adds such a beautiful little fun decorativeness to our little charcuterie puffs. So fun, everything is just gonna be delicious together and it was so easy to put together. Now you can add some chocolate in there, you can do whatever you like, but this is how I like mine. So cute and easy. Enjoy.